everybody. We're here to put this luxurious 3-in-1 stroller together. As y'all can see, we got a lot of pieces here that need to be assembled, and let me get straight to it. So, first things first, we're gonna start with this. Oh yeah, thank you by the way, Sarah's mom, Tammy. We really appreciate it.
This was a gift from Tammy. We're finally getting to put it together. I'm really impressed with it too. It looks just like it did on the website, and it's really nice. Okay.
Snap right on there. Snap right on there. Wheels on the front.
Ooh, looks like a little car.
Like a roller, yeah. Okay, basket.
Okay, so it straps onto those.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I think it goes around here.
Yeah, there we go.
Make it even tighter.
Got a little basket for underneath.
Sturdy basket.
Wow, that's pretty too.
Got some wheels on that.
So this is like a bassinet type thing that sits.
Wow. All back.
Oh, look at that.
That's really style. Got a little ventilation system up in here.
Oh, look. And then it comes down even more. Then we can look at him.
Some good air up in there circulating. Cover it up a little bit.
We can see him through there too.
Straight through. Okay, this part.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think Chris can take it out and flip it the total other way so that he can be facing the other way versus just facing us too.
Yeah.
So that'll be good too. He can face either way.
And let me see. I also tilt it.
Whoa.
But to take it out. Flip it around.
Yeah, so then we can push it and he'll be facing us basically because, you know, we'll be right there. Yeah, I like it like that. That's probably how I'll be pushing him, is facing towards us. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. So this is also Turn it the other way.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it turns into an actual stroller. I know it looks like a stroller right now, but once he gets bigger and can actually sit up on his own, it turns into a stroller. And believe it or not, this whole thing is going to turn into a seat.
Okay. So I think it straps at the bottom. I have to take it out.
No, I think you can do it from underneath.
Okay. There's a couple of straps under her, y'all. Put them together. Then we'll force this to turn
Whoa.
into.
Wow. And you can literally sit in it.
I think it's a part back here that I need to fix. I can see. This is the ball. Go for a little more support.
I really like this.
Yeah, this was a real nice gift. We really appreciate all the support and love everyone has shown us.
Oh, yeah, you see how that pushed it forward so that now he can
Tighten it all
sit
the way
up.
up.
Mm-hmm.
So now, as it get a little older, you can sit in. And this comes out.
And there's straps underneath. Oh, and the owner's manual.
The instructions. So if you are the owner of this company, we've been looking for these.
Yes, we searched all through the box for instructions to put it together, and Chris said, you know what? I'm an engineer. I can figure this out myself.
Figured it out myself.
And he literally just figured it out for y'all. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And then once he can sit up, he'll be sitting up in it.
Yeah, so
I love it.
until he gets to that age.
Yeah, that'll be a while.
Just put this back how it originally was. Fold it back.
And then we can show you all the different little attachments it came with. Oh, it did come with a bar too for when he's that old, so that he doesn't just, you know, fall out. The little bar attaches.
Where's the ball? Okay.
And I love this color, the little peanut butter color.
Ball.
Yeah, so then, you know, Chris can pick him up and hold him in that too as well. And it'll come totally out. Yep.
Pick him up.
So
One
that's one of the
handle.
first attachments at least.
One handle. Now this comes out. We also replaced that.
Show the raincoat and or the
Oh yeah, I'll put that back on there. So these goes. Yeah. Okay. Now this also can be used.
yeah. I think I'd rather have it facing me when I'm pushing him versus facing everybody else.
Yeah. It's reversible also.
Yeah.
Just showing y'all both ways how to use this.
Yeah, that's how I'll be using it for sure.
He's really be a little bitty baby.
He gonna be cozy up in there.
Mm. Yeah. So this also came with some extra protection. Let me take this off. We won't need this
Yeah, he won't need that for a while.
So this also kind of some extra protection, y'all. So with him laying on the inside, let me put this back in to get originally how it looked. So we out enjoying ourselves, summertime, and he's in here. Okay. And he's in here.
And this strap's here just to hold it tight.
This and that.
We definitely need this living in Texas because the mosquitoes sometimes get really bad. There's a whole mosquito net for him.
It's a mosquito net.
That's awesome. I love
like
it.
That.
I do. I think that's really,
Like extra
yeah.
protection.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And just in case it rains,
He has a whole rain cover.
yeah.
Yeah, so we can unzip it and grab him up out of there maybe. There we go. That's awesome. And then we can that unzips so that we can grab him out of there if we need to, if it's raining or something. That's awesome. And then it also came with a little bag, like a little diaper bag, or maybe something we can keep his little toys in or something. It's somewhere around here. That's awesome. All the little accessories. Oh, there's the bag. Yeah, see?
A great bag.
Mm-hmm.
Not too much fancy, but it'll do. And this can easily be contracted. Think this through. I have to take this out. Should I do it?
I think you can do it with it in it. You can show it at least and then take it out. Because that folds over too, if I'm not mistaken. This folds over that way. The whole thing.
This part. Let's back up and see.
Yeah, that little strap where you strap him down for safety on the inside. Oh, and there's a little pocket right here for when he is sitting up. That's cool. Oh, look at that. And we don't have to take it all the way apart whenever we want to put it in the car.
Push the button right here. Twist it all the way up so it can't be twisted no more. Take it down. Just have to follow this. Shut this down. We'll go to the front. Okay.
All right, that's awesome. Whoa, quick and easy.
Real quick and easy. So,
I love it.
love it too. There you have it. Yeah. The NASCAR luxury 3-in-1, because I'm definitely gonna put some work in on this. So thank you very much to Sarah's mom, to all the supporters for watching the videos. We really appreciate it. Bundle Joy will be here soon. We'll keep y'all posted. It's a long journey. We have more to show y'all. His room is coming along. You know, we just preparing the best way we can and enjoying every minute of it. we appreciate y'all for tuning in and enjoying it and supporting with us.
That's his car
Can't wait
seat.
to see him in that. Thank y'all. Thank you, baby.